To all my classmates, nag-retake number ngayon. See you in court. You as a lawyer and I as an assistant.
Anong name mo?
I'm Jan Diaz, batch 2007.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Go.
To everyone, good luck and put full concentration, all your heart and mind with this undertaking, and Godspeed.
Ay, mga minamahal kong inaanak, para tayo sila ulit-ulit ngayon. Don't forget to pray, especially before the exams. 15 minutes before 8 o'clock, 15 minutes before 2 o'clock. Tsaka yung margin nyo, naku, lakihan nyo. Average of 4 words in a line. And then craft your first sentence before you start writing. Yun. Tsaka gamitan nyo naman in a plethora of decisions, mga tipong nakakagulat na po mga first liners. O, yun lang. Sleep tight. Okay, of course. First and foremost, to my inaanak, Ramil and Jenny, to Bea, to Kiko, to Fritz, of course, to Papa Romy Velasco, and sino ba? And the others. Wala na. We're gonna take the bar. Thank you. This is Attorney Nico Apus, CPA-CSE, Taringa.
Okay. To Sogo Barristers, I would like to give you all my prayers and support. Basta you can make it. Kung hindi kaya ng ibang tao, kung kinaya ng ibang tao, bakit hindi nyo kakayanan? Kaya nyo yan. For yourself and for the school. This is Ellie Reyes. God bless.
Start na. To all barristers. Game na? Game na ba yan? Game. To all barristers. Pagkatapos nyo mag-bar, pag pumasa na kayo, mas marami pa rito. Galingan nyo Lagi ako nando doon. Good luck. And this is Leo. You're the best.